I don't know about you, but I hate paying full price for things, especially high ticket items like blenders, laptops, and blow up hot tubs. And we all know the summer months have great holiday sales, but is it worth it to buy now or wait until Black Friday or Cyber Monday? I have the answer for you. Here's a quick hack that saved me big money and will also save you money too. And with that, let's get right into the video. If you're new to my channel, I'm all about sharing ways for you to save or make money so you can live financially free and hopefully retire early. I'm excited to share this website with you called Camel Camel Camel, which helps you save money by keeping an ongoing track record of price action on Amazon. So what the heck does this mean? Well, let's do an example together so you can see how it works. My sister's interested in buying a Vitamix 5200 blender. So she goes to Amazon, types in Vitamix 5200 blender, selects the Vitamix 5200 blender, then she grabs the URL, copies the URL, goes to Camel Camel Camel, pastes the URL into the search function, and boom, all the data is pulled into Camel Cubed. As you can see here is a price at $449.95 listed currently on Amazon. If you scroll down, you get the Amazon price history, which is important because it shows you when those sales occurred. And we see here it's currently listed at $449.95, so this doesn't look like a sale. We can also click third-party new to get the data of other third-party sellers. I also recommend to click this remove extreme values, which will usually filter out anything that was unnecessarily low or high. And as you can see here, I wouldn't recommend buying the blender at this price. So it looks like there's been sales in the past, and if she can wait till Black Friday, I think that's when she might find the best sale. You see back in November, there were some third-party new that were selling for pretty cheap prices for this blender. Okay, so how about the blow-up hot tub? I know this is kind of a meme, who buys a blow-up hot tub, but let's go ahead and look anyways. And if we scroll down, we're gonna want to find one that seems like a good deal. So how about this Best Way Sayu Spa? According to Amazon, it says it's $150 off. We'll go ahead and copy that URL, go back to Camel Camel Camel, paste in the URL. And look at that. This is a horrible time to buy this hot tub. As you can see here, $599 is actually the highest price it's ever been listed for. And it looks like it was for sale back here. Even down, if you scroll down, it'll tell you the lowest price. It looks like the lowest price was down to $205.99. And just by running a quick search on Camel Camel Camel, you can see that you identified a horrible deal and you saved some money. Let's talk about some pros and cons of Camel Camel Camel. We'll start with the cons to get that out of the way. Number one biggest con, they only track Amazon products. And why? Well, they only track Amazon products because it would violate Amazon's terms of service if Camel 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 tracked, let's say, Walmart, Target, and other competitors, which would actually potentially lose Amazon money. So for that reason, they only track Amazon products. Con number two is that there are outliers in price. So if you select third-party new, you'll find that there's some extreme outliers in price. And sometimes there are some phony third-party sellers on Amazon that will list a artificially low price, which may skew some of the data. But for the pros, usually for big ticket items like laptops, blenders, or even blow-up hot tubs, it's a great way to see what the price history has been, and Amazon is a large retailer, so you can get a great idea of when that price usually goes on sale. And I still recommend you check other sites, maybe like Costco, Target, Walmart, to make sure that you're actually getting a good deal, but at least it gives you a good idea if this price makes sense at this point in time. And big pro number two, this is actually my favorite feature about Camel Camel Camel. You can actually create Amazon price watches. You don't even have to sign up for their account. You just list your email address. You can list what type of price you're looking for, whether it be Amazon price or the third-party new price. And then you can list what the price you want it to drop to. So let's say for this hot tub that is way overpriced right now, and we want it to be back down around $300, we could go ahead and list $300 here. And then we could select track and have them send an alert email to us when the price actually drops to that number. And so for those big ticket items like laptops, blenders, blow up hot tubs, highly recommend you set your alerts so that you can be notified when the price drops to an acceptable range. All right, so let me know if you've ever used Camel 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 before, or if you use any other sites that save you money. Drop them in the comments below because I'd also like to learn as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video so I can keep making you content like this. I'm Allan Ryan. I'm all about saving you money and making you money so you can live financially free and hopefully retire early. Thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. See you next time.